Hey, you all might be thinking that I'm crazy, but this is actually fun. I came to this canteen and I thought to revive my childhood memory, so I took a straw to drink this water. But what I really observed was a different thing. So what really I observed? I kept a piece of paper with something written on it and I placed it below the glass filled with water. Now what I observed was, when I push the straw in the downward direction, I can see the letters to be bold, or I can say it got magnified. But when I pull the straw away or in the outward direction, it becomes very tiny. Isn't it amazing? Okay, this is really fun. Now, if this is the case of water, let me observe this in different thing. Anna, one cold drink. Let us see what results do we get when we see through a cold drink. So what I see is, when I push in the straw, I'm getting the same zooming effect, and when I pull it out, again it is getting zoom out, but not up to that extent which was happening in water. Now why is it behaving in a different manner in a cold drink and as compared to that in the water? Let us see. Now when I put in the water, yes, the zoom in is great, even the zoom out is great. When I see it in the cold drink, zoom in and zoom out is great, but not up to that extent. Now why exactly this zoom in and zoom out happens? When I push in the straw inside a liquid, the liquid level rises inside the straw, and that is a capillary action. When I push it in the inward direction, it forms a convex meniscus, hence the thing gets zoom in. When I pull it in the outward direction, it forms a concave meniscus and the thing gets zoom out. So when I push it, I get a convex meniscus, and when I push it out, we get a concave meniscus. That is the reason we say the thing which is written on the paper as zoom in or zoom out. Now why exactly the result is different in the water as compared to that in the cold drink? Now there is a concept involved. The concept is of forces. There are two types of forces. One is the cohesive force, whereas the other is the adhesive force. Now water has more cohesive force, means the water molecule binds together in a very good manner due to its hydrogen, because there are more hydrogen present in water, so the binding action is much more greater as compared to cold drink. That is the reason cohesive force is greater in water as compared to cold drink. That is the reason we form a good concave or convex structure in a water as compared to cold drink, whereas in a cold drink there is more adhesive force. Now what exactly do you understand by adhesive force? Adhesive force is the force between the molecules of different substance, means the cold drink sticks more to the surface of the straw as compared to the molecules of itself. That is the reason different effects are seen with the water as compared to cold drink. So that is the thing which you can try at home, that is the zoom in and zoom out, and all because of physics and force.